Here we have 3x take away 4y is equal to 1, call this equation 1, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 18, which we'll call equation 2. We have a different number of x's and a different number of y's. And unlike the previous examples, we can't rectify this just by multiplying one of the two equations. What we're going to do, and I'll explain this further later, is multiply equation 1 by 3. This gives 9x. Take away 12y is equal to 3. And then we're going to multiply equation 2 by 4. 4 4s are 16, so we have 16x's. 4 times 3y is 12y. And then 4 times 18 is 72. So we've formed equations 3 and 4. Note now that by multiplying 1 by 3 we produced 12y, and multiplying 2 by 4 also gave us 12y. The signs are different, and we know if the signs are different that we're going to add. So equation 3 plus equation 4, 9x plus 16x is 25x. These disappear, and 3 plus 72 is 75, giving us x equal to 3. Substitute into one of the original equations. I'm going to choose 2 here. If x is 3, 4 3s are 12, plus 3y is equal to 18. Taking 12 from both sides gives 3y is equal to 6, and therefore y is equal to 2. So our solution is x is 3 and y is 2. Of course, we should always check solutions to simultaneous equations. Looking at 1, if x is 3 we have 9, and if y is 2 this is 8, and 9 take away 8 is 1. Looking at 2, 4 3s are 12, plus 3 2s is 6, which is 18. So why did we decide to multiply 1 by 3 and 2 by 4? We can see in equation 1 that we had 4 y's. In equation 2 we had 3 y's, and we know that 3 times 4y would give us 12y. In equation 2, 3 y's, 4 y's in equation 1, and 3y times 4 is 12y. So we've got the same number of y's in both equations by doing this. We now have 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 8, and 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 1. We have a different number of x's and of y's. But if we want to get these the same, we could multiply equation 1 by 2, choosing the 2 because we have 2 y's in equation 2. We'll also do equation 2 times 5, choosing this because we have 5 y's in equation 1. 1 times 2 gives us 4x plus 10y is equal to minus 16. 2 times 5 gives us 15x plus 10y is equal to minus 5. So note we now have the same number of y's. If we look at these y's, we can see the signs are the same. Same means subtract, so do 4 take away 3. 15x take 4x is 11x. Minus 5 take away minus 16 is minus 5 plus 16, which is 11. It follows that x is equal to 1. Now substitute into one of the original equations. I'm going to choose 1. X is 1, so 2 1s are 2, plus 5y equals minus 8. Take 2 from both sides, gives us 5y is equal to minus 10, and therefore y is equal to minus 2. So our solution is x is 1 and y is minus 2. Once again, checking equation 1. 2 lots of 1 is 2. Add 5 times minus 2, which is minus 10. 2 take away 10 is minus 8. For equation 2, we have 3 1s, which is 3, and 2 lots of minus 2 is minus 4. 3 take 4 is minus 1.